Hello everyone, myself Deepak Upadhyay from Impulse Technology, Gurgaon, Delhi. Today I will demonstrate you how to create a carbon nanotube junction with the help of Device Studio, that is a user interface for NanoDCAL and Rescue software. This is the possible combination of this carbon nanotube junction, and the structure of this CNT depend upon the value of A and M, like armature structure, zigzag structure. And an important feature of this NEGF in NanoDCAL is its ability to treat a heterojunction system, meaning a device geometry where two electrodes are not same. So in this video you will learn how to set up the geometry of such a junction. This is my device studio that will help you to create a simple or complex structure, and you can do some modification and manipulation in your atomic and device structure. So we need to create a two carbon nanotube with different crawl vector. So first click on the build option and go to the nanotube option, and here you can define the value of A and M. I have selected 12 by 12 carbon nanotube and click on the preview option and go to the builder. This carbon nanotube structure is quite thin, so it is better to increase the length in the direction of C. So click on the build option, go to the redefine crystal, and here you can increase the length in the direction of C 10 times. So I would like to click on the file option and go to the build option. So this is the 12 by 12 carbon nanotube structure. So to create the second carbon nanotube, so just follow these previous steps. So click on the build option, go to the nanotubes, and here you can define the different crawl vector. I have selected 5 by 5 and click on the preview option and go to the builder. So on the same way you can increase the length of this carbon nanotube structure. So click on the build option, go to the redefine crystal, and here you can increase the length. So click on the preview option and go to the build option. To overlap the 5 by 5 carbon nanotube structure with 12 by 12 carbon nanotube structure, so select all these 5 by 5 carbon nanotubes and paste inside the 12 by 12. This 5 by 5 tube need to be centered in XY plane because its original unit cell are smaller as compared to 12 by 12 structure. So select all these 5 by 5 carbon nanotube and click on the center along A and again center along B axis. This system is no longer periodic in any direction, so it is better to remove the unit cell by clicking on the convert to molecule option. So the unit cell has been removed. To overlapping this structure, select all this 5 by 5 tube and click on the move option. Here you can select the distance and you can move like that. So this structure has been overlapped. So this 5 by 5 tube structure is overlapped with 12 by 12 structure. So to create a device structure, so simply click on the convert to device option, and here you can define the electrode for 2 terminal devices, 3 terminal devices, so up to 6 probe device structure you can simulate, like left electrode, right electrode, bottom electrode, top electrode, front electrode and back electrode. So I selected left and right. You can also change the value. You can click on the preview option and you can click on the build. From this type of structure you can study how the transmission and other properties change depending on how much the two tubes overlap. So thank you for watching this video.